Do you ever wish you had a sounding board for your thoughts, a way to make sense of your feelings, or just a new perspective on your daily experiences? What if a free AI could be that partner, helping you journal more effectively than ever before? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into an incredibly powerful and personal use for AI, journaling. Forget diaries and notebooks. We'll explore how free AI tools can become your non-judgmental thought partner. It will help you deepen self-awareness, process emotions, and uncover amazing insights from your personal thoughts. This isn't just about writing, it's about reflecting, understanding, and growing. And the best part? It's easier than you think. Many of us want to journal, but struggle to start or stay consistent. Writer's block hits, or we just don't know what to say. This is where AI shines. Instead of staring at a blank page, just tell an AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini, "I want to journal today, but I don't know where to start." Or, "Give me some prompts for self-reflection." Instantly, you'll have ideas, questions, and starting points. It removes that initial hurdle and makes journaling accessible, even on busy days. It's like having a friendly guide ready to kickstart your thoughts. Traditional journaling is often a one-way street. You write, you read. But with AI, it becomes a dialogue. Type out a thought, a feeling, or a problem, then ask the AI, "What else should I consider here?" Or, "Can you ask me follow-up questions about this feeling?" The AI won't judge or interrupt. It simply processes your input and asks open-ended questions designed to make you think deeper. It's a safe space to explore sensitive topics, knowing you'll only get thoughtful prompts. This conversational approach can lead to breakthroughs you might never reach alone. So, you've been journaling with AI for a bit. Now for the magic. You can feed several entries back to the AI and ask it to analyze them. Can you summarize the main themes in my entries from this week? Are there any recurring emotions or thought patterns you notice? What seems to be my biggest challenge based on these thoughts? The AI quickly identifies connections, recurring anxieties, joys, or persistent goals. It acts like a super smart assistant, highlighting trends and giving you an objective overview of your inner landscape. This helps you gain incredible clarity and understanding about yourself. Sometimes we get stuck in a negative thought loop. AI can help here too. Describe a frustrating situation or strong emotion, then ask the AI to help me reframe this thought in a more positive light, or suggest 3 different perspectives on this problem. It can offer alternative viewpoints, help break down overwhelming feelings, or even suggest coping mechanisms. It's not therapy, but it is a powerful tool for emotional processing and developing a healthier mindset. Think of it as a mental workout partner, helping you stretch your perspective. How do you actually do this? 1. Choose your tool. Free versions of ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini are excellent. Open a new chat. 2. Start simple, don't overthink. Begin by stating how you feel, what's on your mind, or asking for a prompt. 3. Be conversational, treat the AI like a friend. Ask questions, respond to its prompts, and elaborate. 4. Experiment, try different prompts, summaries, pattern analysis, alternative perspectives. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover. Remember, your data is usually private within these chats, but always be mindful of sensitive information. AI journaling isn't about replacing human connection or professional help. It's about augmenting your self-reflection journey with an incredibly powerful, accessible, and non-judgmental tool. It's fantastic for beginners to step into AI while gaining profound personal benefits. You might be surprised at the insights you unlock. If you found this video helpful and are excited to try AI journaling, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more practical AI tips and tricks. What are your thoughts on AI journaling? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.